Okay, so this is my experiment on testing insulation materials. We have 4 baggies. We have 12 ice cubes. I have 4 here, and we have 8 more in the freezer. We have tape, newspapers, and cardboard. I cut up a cereal box, wax paper, foil, I have a timer, and I have thermometers. So we are going to wrap these 4 ice cubes in 4 separate Ziploc baggies, and then we're going to wrap each baggie in a different insulating material with a thermometer, and we're going to take temperature readings every minute and record them and see what we get. So here is my version of this experiment. First setup is the newspaper. So I'm going to take one of the ice cubes and I'm going to wrap it in the newspaper. And I'm going to make sure that the thermometer, end of the thermometer is touching. Wrap that really well. Make sure that it's all the way around, but we need to be able to read the thermometer. Take that down just enough. I can read the thermometer as it gets cooler and cooler. And I'm going to go ahead and tape that up. That's the first one. Okay, the second setup is to take an ice cube and put it into some cardboard and set that up and make sure we have the thermometer in there with it touching, and we're going to go ahead and tape that together. The third setup is wax paper. So I'm going to take my baggie and put it inside of wax paper, and I can pretty much just ball this one up. And then I'm going to put tape around the bottom of it. The last setup is aluminum foil. Take my baggie, ball it up, put it right on the bulb, and again, I just pretty much ball this up and I don't even need tape. So now I have my 4 setups. I have wax paper and foil, and my cardboard and my paper. Now I'm going to take a reading and I'm going to record it every minute and see what happens to the 4. Make a hypothesis. Go ahead. Okay, after 7 minutes, you can see our data is very interesting. At the beginning, we had a lot of loss of heat, and then it stabilized. And now look, interesting results. All right, we'll continue. I'm going to keep going with my data, and we can take a look at this data. Let's see if I can make that a little less bright so we can see the data a little bit better. There we go. And it's very interesting data when we get down around here. So we'll discuss this data in class, but I'm going to continue. Instead of doing 2 more trials, first, I'm going to go ahead and continue because I do still have ice cubes left in all of my containers. I can feel them, so I knew I didn't even have to open them. I'm going to go ahead and keep going, and we'll take a look at the results.